We develop software that make an impact. Among the top 10 Jira apps, at least half of them from Appfire. And our customers, all the big techs, Apple, Google, Ferrari, and so all our customers, gaming companies, all this kind of thing. So we develop the software which helps them to produce their software. So quite a lot of new technologies we are using. We have already quite the growth in the last, say, 2 years. Ever since basically the dollars coming in, and then we see this thing is going through the roof. It keeps going. We need more people. We don't want to just hire anybody. We want good people.
Some of the things that we'd really like to try to do is each of the brand teams that we brought on board all have some unique, interesting, fun things that they might do as part of their development process. They'll do more of like a software hackathon that keeps people fresh and active. And there's opportunities to do retrospectives and presentations and show off what you've done these past few weeks in order to, get a little bit of excitement outside of just the development team. But yeah, there's a lot of those kind of nuggets that we've been trying to dig out from the different teams in order to put in place and make a little broader impact across the teams.
Fairly new in the Appfire family, but the way the team welcomed me, it doesn't really feel I'm new. It's been a natural process of settling in. I was in New Zealand. I've been there for 5 years pretty much, where I climbed up all the steps in career. And we had to return back to Europe. So I started looking. And as soon as I saw the opportunity at Appfire, I said, no, okay, that's something I'd like to do, even though there was this step back from a director position to a principal engineer. I met with David. He presented me with a challenge. He wrote all the code over several years, and the challenge I was presented with was trying to understand everything he's done so far, learn all these huge black box, and pretty much at some stage eventually replace him or in parts of the positions he's covering now. Yeah, that was a nice challenge. I like challenges.
Are working on a product, especially early on, you really don't know what you don't know yet. So you're very optimistic about, oh, well, we can do this in this amount of time. But David has been around, especially for JMCF. So it's always very good to talk to about, well, what are the other issues we're really maybe not thinking about yet? And then, helping focus our work to investigate these, 2 or 3 big things that he knows will be important. And so really helps prioritize our work and make sure we're not forgetting things that are important.
My goal is for them to collectively own the product. So I let them pick what they want to work on. Of course, we have, a roadmap, we have a backlog, we prioritize things, but then they can choose how to do it. But when they need help, they just say, okay, for this, I'm not sure how we should go about it. Let's discuss it. So it's really, interactive. And plus we have a lot of challenges by Atlassian, like migrations, for example, and porting JMCF to the cloud. So at some point you need more resources. One developer is not enough anymore if you want to be able to maintain momentum. I'm, a technologist at heart. I'm passionate about software and I'm passionate about quality perceived by the customer.
It's really important to have that allowance from management to do something crazy, right? For example, we have code in the dark, and it's a really cool idea that you train your skills, but you cannot see the result of work till the end. So you code something in like half an hour, and after that you push the button, see the results, and it's like, oh my God, it's not that. So really cool. I think everything here is connected to natural behavior of developers. So we work because we want to work. We want to create things, and I think that open source is the best example here. We create things that could be profitable, so we can sell them, but we do it for free, just for fun, because I got some time, like a few months, and I did this for free. Why not? Cool company when you have a lot of people with great ideas, and it's really important to have people who want to do something just for fun.